said it best. He said we have to stop demonizing things that we haven't seen before. Too much movement, too loud, not church music, all those things. It's really a blessing that we're even still in church. Our church was founded on young people, 1844. That whole movement, young people came together and said, you know what? Change it up, flip the script. That's why we're here. So I'm excited for the next generation to come. And when you see things that you haven't seen before, don't demonize it. Accept it, appreciate it, see the goodness in it, see the God in it, and recognize that that thing may be what keeps your kid in church 20 years from now, 30 years from now.
On the food. Father, we just thank you for your grace and your mercies. Tonight has been such a blessing, and we've been blessed tremendously. I pray, Lord, you'll bless all the participants and you'll bless their families. Continue to be with our young people, oh Lord. Let them continue to persist. Let them continue to go forward, Lord, even in the midst of adversity. Today is a testament of the goodness and the mercies of God.